Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Gummy Bear Party is probably one of the most delightful and vibrant themes you can choose to bring a burst of color and sweetness to any celebration, instantly transforming your event into a whimsical wonderland that guests of all ages will adore, making it an unforgettable experience filled with playful charm and sugary joy from start to finish. Number 5. Boao Bear Stackable Pencils. Discover these delightful stackable pencils, perfect for young learners. They bring joy and utility to every activity, making writing and drawing more engaging. This generous pack includes 30 pencils, ensuring you have plenty for all your needs. They are ideal for party favors, classroom prizes, or student rewards. Each pencil features a charming bear design and 5 vibrant colors in one. They are sure to capture attention and spark creativity in children. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, these pencils are built to last. They are safe for kids and sturdy for everyday use, providing long-term enjoyment. Beyond just writing, they encourage imagination and cultivate manual skills. These make wonderful gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any special event. Experience the convenience of 5 different colors in a single pencil. Simply stack and unstack to switch between blue, green, pink, yellow, and purple. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of colorful, stackable pencils. If you are looking for bulk party favors or classroom prizes, these are an excellent choice. Their cute bear design and multiple colors make them a fun and practical gift for kids. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided source. No positive product details found in the provided source. Number 4. Chinco Stackable Plastic Bear Pencils. Discover a delightful way to write and draw with these unique stackable bear pencils. You'll receive 20 charming cartoon bear pencils, each about 5 inches long, perfect for little hands and big imaginations. Crafted from safe plastic, these pencils come in 5 vibrant color combinations. Their adorable bear design makes them a joy to use and a cute addition to any pencil case. Each pencil is composed of 5 smaller bear segments, allowing you to easily take them apart and use them individually. You can also stack them in any order to create your own unique color combinations and lengths. These make fantastic party favors for birthdays or Christmas, and are perfect for filling goodie bags. Their lovely colors, just like gummy bears, are sure to bring smiles to everyone. Teachers can hand them out as prizes or awards, encouraging creativity and learning. They are excellent for drawing, test-taking, homework, sketching, or general writing use. With their novelty and cute design, these pencils evoke a sense of childhood fun. Breaking them apart and reassembling them offers an engaging experience that boys and girls will adore. This classroom pack includes 20 pencils, each with 5 individual writing heads in blue, green, rose red, yellow, and purple. Each segment contains 0.25 inches of graphite, ensuring plenty of writing fun. What we like. These stackable pencils offer a unique twist with their reassemblable design. If you like customizable stationery and interactive fun, this product is perfect for you. They are great for encouraging creativity and make engaging gifts for children. What people say. Number 3. GRU Jumbo Squishy Gummy Bear. Discover the ultimate stress reliever. This jumbo gummy bear is incredibly squishy and stretchy, perfect for endless fun and tactile exploration. Experience its soft, satisfying texture. It comes in assorted vibrant neon colors like green, red, and blue, adding a pop of joy to your day. Designed for lasting enjoyment, it's both washable and durable. Remember, this is a toy, not food, so please do not eat it. Squeeze away your worries and enhance concentration. It's a fantastic sensory tool for calming and relaxing your mind, suitable for all ages. Whether for kids or adults, it makes a great party favor, Easter basket stuffer, or classroom reward. Everyone will love this happy bunch bear. From GRU, a trusted USA brand, ensuring safe toys for all. It's ideal for stocking stuffers, goodie bags, and carnival prizes, bringing smiles wherever it goes. What we like. This jumbo squishy bear offers fantastic stress relief and sensory engagement. If you are looking for a unique party favor that doubles as a calming toy, this is an ideal pick. Its stretchy texture and vibrant colors provide a fun, tactile experience for all ages. What people say. No reviews found in the source content to extract points from. No reviews found in the source content to extract points from. Number 2. Printed Party Woodland Guess How Many Baby Shower Game. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just fill a jar with treats and let your guests make their best guess. The closest one wins, sparking conversation and laughter instantly. Featuring charming watercolor animals like bears, foxes, and deer on a rustic background, it perfectly complements forest-themed or gender-neutral celebrations. Its delightful design adds a touch of nature to your event. This set includes a 5x7 display sign and 50 individual guessing cards. Simply provide your own jar, and you're ready to start the fun. It's perfect for any event, from baby showers to birthday parties. You can fill the jar with anything that matches your theme, making it incredibly adaptable. Guests will appreciate its premium feel. The cards are thick, smooth, and easy to write on, ensuring a polished look for your party. This product is proudly designed, printed, and packed right here in Pennsylvania. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This game provides an easy and engaging activity for any celebration. If you are hosting a baby shower with a woodland creatures theme, its design will fit perfectly. It's a simple way to get guests interacting and can be used for various events beyond just baby showers. What people say. Number 1. Nostalgia Gummy Candy Making Kit. Craving delicious gummy candies? Now you can create them right at home with your favorite flavors. This simple and fun kit makes it easy to enjoy mouth-watering treats. Get creative with playful designs. It includes molds for fish, mini bears, and worms. You can even make a massive treat with the giant gummy bear mold. It features a heated base and a removable mixing pot. This design ensures safe and easy melting and pouring of your gummy mixture. The easy pour spout makes it even simpler. Starting is a breeze with its single push power switch. The removable pot, with its easy pour spout and handles, ensures safe pouring every time. It's designed for user-friendly operation. This kit is perfect for all ages, from kids to adults. It offers a creative and enjoyable activity. The entire family can have fun making treats together. You can follow the included gummy recipes for classic flavors. Or, get creative and use your favorite flavors to invent unique gummy treats. The possibilities are endless. When the fun is done, cleanup is simple. You can easily disassemble it for thorough cleaning. This allows you to enjoy making gummies as often as you like. What we like. This kit allows you to create your own delicious gummy candies at home. If you are looking for a fun, family-friendly activity, this provides an engaging and tasty experience. With various molds and a heated base, it makes the candy-making process easy and enjoyable for all ages. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.